What's up, y'all? It's Meynarez, Reputation Sensei, and today I'm bringing you the 3 best tips and tricks for the new Sensei Says testimonial app. First one is you want to record the video outside the app. Now, why do we want to do that? That way we can edit the ums and the ahs and the 1, 2, 3, go, and the last like 5 seconds where it's just awkward and you gotta press the end button. The second one is, and this is important, okay? You want to turn it sideways, all right? You want it horizontal versus vertical because it's going to look 10 times better on your client's social media page. And the third and last final tip and trick for you guys is once you get to the very end where it gives you the ability to share it on your social media, before you do that, make sure you download the video so that way you have that branded video in your camera roll and you can add music or whatever else you want to promote it on any social media that you want. Okay, I'm not saying you have to, but if you're an entrepreneur and you throw money behind the stuff that you do, this is going to be the best practice for you. Now, if you guys like these tips and tricks, hit the like button right down below, and I'll see y'all soon.